Geothermal systems. Definition of geothermal: relating to or produced by the internal heat of the earth. Newark Mechanical Corporation's work in geothermal systems includes new construction for auxiliary heating and duct systems as well as the add-on or retrofitting of furnace and duct systems. How geothermal heat pump works. These systems pump energy from the earth to heat and cool buildings. Quite simply put, geothermal heating and cooling uses heat from the earth to heat and cool a structure, whether it be a home, office building, or other structure. These systems are the most energy efficient, environmentally clean, and cost-effective space conditioning systems available according to the Environmental Protection Agency. Cost-effective. Energy efficient. Environmentally clean. In keeping with the latest state-of-the-art technology, we offer installation and maintenance of geothermal heating and cooling systems. They are environmentally friendly, cost-efficient and use clean energy instead of fossil fuels. Geothermal systems are solar and wind-powered systems, extremely energy efficient, environmentally clean and very cost-effective.